ఇది వాషింగ్ మిషన్, వాషింగ్ ఏరియా ఇదంతా. You can see, and this is washroom. This is a big bedroom, and you can see having a good curtain, like we can cross verify who is there at the door. And this is a hall. You can see everything is clumsy. My old PC, repaired and everything. And this is our Wi-Fi, hard to work. This is a big hall, like approximately, like you can see the hall size. And this is one of the table where we have purchased. And our mic. And almost multiple chairs, 1, 2, 3. And this is another room, like you can see. Sorry, this is another laptop's desk. Let me on the light. Yeah, you can see. This is a small room. Actually, you can do quite single one-man show. And this is camera stand. And here we are having a rack, shoes, everything. And this is another western. You can see the beautiful view from here. Good, right? But it's a graveyard. You can't see the you can't see anything, but it's a graveyard. It's full graveyard. You can see how it goes up. Quite horror, right? But okay, we got addicted. And it was raining outside. Yeah. 26th September 2025. It's raining, good weather. Yeah. Almost 2 washrooms, 2 bedrooms, and we're using this as a studio room where we used to record. There are a lot of books, right? You can see how big the room is. Yeah, and the next one is kitchen. A lot of stuff. And you can see the graveyard from here. Let me show you at least one day. Yeah, you can see the graveyard, right? Yeah. But they're good weather, right? Location, everything is good. Yeah, this is Lumi, AIs and VybeSchool and SnapCaptions and everyone's office. And 2 employees, MANEESH and Anjudeep. That's it. Just 2 employees, 3 companies, and 4th one was, of course, agency. We get clients and we do a lot of work, and this is our main board. Yeah, VybeSchool only target. Yep. Yeah, that's it.